The painter of dancers, Edgar Degas loved ballet. These dancers inspired him throughout his life, and during a time that photography was still in its infancy, he painted a photograph of a dance performance.
The painting indeed seems cropped from all sides. Degas presents us the action from one of the upper boxes on the left side of the theater where you look down on the performance. He liked to use these unusual vantage points to create unique impressions of the ballerinas.
It is the middle of the ballet performance, and in the center, one of the dancers is performing a complicated pirouette. She looks gorgeous in her bright green tutu. To her left, we can see the tutus of two other dancers. They are just there to provide some context, but Degas is clearly not interested in them.
Similarly, Degas includes some dancers waiting for their turn in the background. They are not the main focus, but their orange outfits provide a beautiful contrast to the green tutus. And to paint these delicate textures and beautiful colors, Degas did not use the paint most other artists used. Instead, he used a combination of pastel and gouache and applied that to paper.
He certainly succeeded in capturing a joyful scene.
And despite the fact that Degas preferred to be called a realist, this is truly an impressionist piece of work. He just captures a fleeting moment in time with quick brushstrokes and is not concerned with a perfect composition.